Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this new olive plant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Olive is one of the seeds that you can craft from the smithing event. And you can craft the olive seed here. Okay, just click on select recipe and you will need common coal, 2 common coals, grape, tomato seed, and also shekels to craft this olive seed. And I have already planted this olive seed on my garden, and I'm going to show you how the olive looks like. Okay, this is the olive plant, and this is the fruit. Okay, I'm holding the olive fruit, and the fruit is so small, guys. And I'm going to show you the base value of this olive fruit. Okay, I'm going to check how much this is worth. Okay, and this is the base value. Okay, and yeah, it's good. You know, it's small, but it has high value. And of course, the value will be higher after the mutation and after you put on a sprinkler to make it bigger. Okay, it's worth to craft. Okay guys, and that's all about the olive seed in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.